With beautiful Brynna, and welcome to our lab. Today we are going to learn how mammals that live in the sea, like whales, stay warm when the water is so cold.
This one is simple and you can try it at home. Let us know if you do. All you need is some ice water and some fat or Crisco.
Let's dip our finger in the ice water to see how cold it is.
Ah! 6 seconds. That's the time to beat. 6 seconds.
Next, spread the fat or Crisco all over your finger so that it's completely covered and dip it in the ice water again.
Okay, can you help with that?
Yeah. It's so good.
Okay, give me your finger. That's the finger?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is so gross.
Well, sure, it's fat. Ours is pork fat.
Pork.
What does pork come from?
Pigs.
From pigs.
Which also can make bacon. It's really good.
Is it completely covered?
Not quite. I'll make sure that there's nowhere water can leak in. Okay, hold on to that for a second.
Wait.
Ew! It's gross.
There's still...
That's really
Just
good.
don't, oh, let me see. Okay. Now.
Is it cold? Is it cold?
24 seconds.
24.
Did you pull it out right when it got cold?
Yes.
24.09 seconds.
Water less cold with the fat on your finger, Aidyn?
Yes.
You went 4 times as long. You were able to keep your finger in the water. 4 times as long as without the blubber. That's pretty cool. That's a significant result.
Yeah, because 6 times 4 equals 24.
Mammals are warm-blooded, which means they regulate their blood temperature without an outside source like the sun. For mammals that live in the freezing oceans like whales and sea otters, this means they could freeze from the water and die. But they do not because they have a layer of blubber or fat which helps regulate their body temperature. A whale's body temperature is actually close to humans at around 97 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and the layer of blubber helps keep out the cold and keep in the warm. A whale's blubber can be between 6 and 24 inches thick depending on the season.
If you like this video, check out our others and like, share, subscribe to see more videos about science. Bye. Have an awesome day.